Back and muscle pain. It's something almost all of us deal with at some point. Whether it's from long hours at a desk, heavy lifting, or just the daily wear and tear of life, the discomfort can really slow you down. But there are simple ways to manage it, naturally, effectively, and without needing to put your life on pause. Let's walk through smart, proven strategies to help relieve muscle and back pain and keep your body moving at its best. Muscle and back pain usually comes down to a few key things: poor posture, overuse, tension, or inflammation. Sitting too long without breaks, that strains your spine. Lifting something the wrong way, that stresses your muscles. Even everyday stress can lead to tightness and soreness. When muscles become overworked or inflamed, pain signals get sent to the brain, and that stiffness, throbbing, or aching sets in. The good news? Small habits can make a big difference. 1. Gentle stretching at just 5 minutes a day can loosen tight muscles and improve flexibility. 2. Move often. You take regular breaks if you sit for long periods. Even a quick walk can ease pressure on your spine. 3. Adjust your environment. Use supportive chairs, keep your screens at eye level, and avoid slouching. 4. Stay hydrated. Muscles function better when you're well hydrated, and water helps reduce cramping and fatigue. Consistency is key. These small routines add up over time. When pain does hit, it's important to have tools that can help. Try alternating cold and heat therapy. Cold reduces swelling, heat relaxes muscles. Use foam rollers or massage guns to release tight areas. And for targeted relief, over-the-counter anti-inflammatory gels can be a real game changer. Voltaren Extra Strength is one option that helps reduce inflammation directly at the source. It's non-greasy, fast-absorbing, and works without needing oral medication. Just apply where it hurts and let it get to work so you can get back to moving comfortably. If your pain is persistent, sharp, or doesn't improve, it may be time to see a healthcare provider. Physiotherapists and pain specialists can help identify the root cause and guide you through a personalized recovery plan. Early action can prevent long-term issues. Managing back and muscle pain is all about balance. Taking care of your body, listening when it needs rest, and using the right tools when you need relief. Small steps can lead to big improvements. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wellness tips and practical health guides.